Government of Manipur today flag off Jal Diwali campaign under the initiative of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Government of India under Water for Women and Women for Water campaign. The flag off ceremony was held today at City Convention Center Palace Compound by Minister Y. Khemchan Singh. During the flag off ceremony, fill kits to members of women self-help groups were distributed by Minister Y. Khemchan, Commissioner Mahud, State Mission Director Amrut Manipur and State Mission Director Day and ULM Manipur. After the flag-off ceremony, women participants of different self-help groups across the state are going to be provided exposure visit to water treatment plants at Chingkhaiching and Porompat, Imphal East District, Manipur. Observation ceremony is underway. First exposure visit is scheduled at Chingkhaiching water treatment plant. Further details are awaited.
Climate change ki khongai ba Manipur da su khasi mayam na binang woni Imphal turen si a makha yogre Imphal da leiba ayam ba Imphal turen si depend dor kan ising thakpani adu ising water level si nungsu pantha su loi gre edi nungsu pantha lakado su wati bunina sida leiba water level si koi ising ya awa si thengna ga do leida badu so I see them Janing is Karigumba water supply scheme. They was a gassing the tip water. I don't have to put drain, see them sing a big can send by Tare. Zaga Antana Pangdaba. Anna, quick sell group in Parliament, the labor sell groups you see Makoi, Mating, Lorganda, who sing ship. Sing Shumbagi Awa, sing Takna, sing Putokuya, Mayam, and Halakanda, but she sings the Cinema will be Pandamaman in Tamjari. I don't see Mudu Yang with Sepagi, with Long time.